Hello everyone, this is Fazil. My batchmate is R. Paramesh. The project title is Converter with Multi-Level AC and Boost DC Output for Hybrid Microgrid Applications. These are the contents of our project. Objectives to design and stimulate boost and multi-level converters and to compare the THD results of boost and multi-level converters. This is the literature survey of our project. The abstract of our project is the hybrid microgrids, integration of multiple renewable energy sources to AC and DC buses of grid require a boost and multi-level inverters. Depending on the requirement, these boost and multi-level converters are connected either in parallel or cascaded. It requires a separate AC and DC output control, that is modulation index and duty ratio. So these arrangements cannot give the fully controlled simultaneous DC and AC outputs. This resulting simplifies less number of devices like switches to produce a simultaneous boost DC and multi-level AC waveform with shoot-through protection for a multi-level converter. This is the existing system. The same has abstract the integration of multiple renewable energy sources to AC and DC buses of grid requires two individual converters, a DC to DC boost converter and a multi-level inverter. Depending on their requirement, these boost and multi-level converters are arranged in parallel. It requires separate DC and AC and DC output control. The demerits control complexity increases, power losses increases. This is the proposed system. The control switch S of the conventional DC to DC boost converter is replaced by the multi-level inverter topology to obtain proposed converter. It produces a simultaneous multi-level AC output and boost DC output using 5 controlled switches S1 to S5 and using a diode. The input DC voltage is VDC is equal to VDC1 plus VDC2. AC load is connected across H bridge and DC load is connected across capacitor C. This is the block diagram of our project. The DC supply is given to hybrid boost multi-level converter and it is connected to the load. 5 volt DC supply is given to control circuit and a 12 volt DC supply is given to driver circuit. The driver circuit and control circuit generates pulse and gives rise to hybrid boost multi-level converter. It is a circuit diagram. It has two inputs, VDC1, VDC2, two DC inputs. It consists of 5 switches S1, S2, S3, S4, S1, S2, S3, S4. And the DC load is connected across the capacitor. The inductor is connected across S1. Diode is connected across S3. Explanation. The circuit diagram of the shoot through interval is interval both the switches either S1 and S4 or S3 or S2 are on at the same instant. In this interval, diode is in reverse bias. The zero intervals is multi-level inverter current circulates in the switches either S1, S2 or S3, S4. The diode is in forward bias during zero intervals. And the sum of AC output current IAB and the current passing through diode ID is equal to current through inductor L. The input voltage is equal to aggregate sum of AC and DC output voltages. These are the advantages of our project. High reliability, voltage gain, dual output, hybrid system. It is a simulation diagram. It is DC output voltage. This is AC output voltage. 5 level. The applications are hybrid electric vehicles, AC and DC based hybrid microgrids, DC drives.